Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Volvo XC90 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. If you do think the video is useful, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more useful content like this. So on this one, we're going to use the screen in the centre of the dash, and from here I'm going to press the button at the bottom, and we're going to go on to car status. Come down to where it says TPMS, click there. And before we store pressure, we want to make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then we want to press store pressure. Okay. Just takes a little while to register the new pressures. And that's it. Drive off and it will store it.